Developing news today in two high-profile cases in Dickson County. The parents of missing 5-year-old Joe Clyde Daniels, Joseph and Crystal Daniels, appeared before the judge. And the two people suspected in a Dickson County sergeant's death were in the same courtroom. Stephen Wiggins and Erica Castro-Miles are charged in the murder of Sergeant Daniel Baker. News Channel 5's Nick Barris is at the 5 Alert Center, and Nick, defendants in both of the cases were asking a judge for a change of venue due to all the pretrial publicity.
That's exactly right. The attorneys for the clients in both cases are arguing because of pretrial publicity, they don't believe that they can get a fair jury in Dickson County. That was part of the argument this morning. And the judge first ruled, all right, in the case involving the slain deputy there in Dickson County, deciding that Wiggins and Castro-Miles will still be tried in Dickson County, all right? But he agreed to bring a jury in from outside the county. Now, Joseph and Crystal Daniels were up next, and the judge also decided to keep their trial set for next spring in Dickson. Same thing, and he also agreed, though, that the jury will be brought in from elsewhere. Now, one other thing happened in court today regarding the Joe Clyde case. For the very first time, we heard Joseph Daniels talk in open court. Now, he, as you look at him here, has lost a lot of weight. He claims he's lost 80 pounds as he's been locked up at Riverbend Maximum Security Prison, and says that he wants to be moved back to the Dickson County Jail for his mental health.
Has your mental health deteriorated since you've been at Riverbend?
Yes.
And how so?
I'm not getting exactly the same treatment. I'm not being watched constantly. And there have been times where I've thought about suicide in my cell, but I have no thoughts of hurting anybody else.
So really, first time we've heard from him. He's lost an awful lot of weight. Daniels, you'll recall, was moved from the Dickson County Jail originally. The sheriff said it was an issue because of security within his jail. Now, the judge kind of still sides with the sheriff on this. He denied the request for Daniels to be moved back to the Dickson County Jail. He will stay put, despite whatever problems he's having there at the Riverbend Maximum Security Facility. Now, there will be more hearings to come, Vicki, of course, but after today and these motions, these things resolved, it seems that the prosecution and the trials in both these cases are moving forward, and they're expected to happen sometime early next year. Send it back to you in the studio.
Thanks so much, Nick, for all the information.